Now let me show you how to fuse on these designs. You can play with all of these designs any way you want, and then you want to get a nice small iron. You don't want anything that has any steam, because then your paper will bend. And you're just going to go over it, heat up your iron, and just go over it. You know what? I don't think I took my paper off. You got to take the paper off first. And then you just lay it down and decide where you want to put it. And basically, there is no other way that I know of that you can get a design on there and be able to glue it on and not have it and not have it stick. And it's so thin that it would be hard to use. Now, what if I wanted to do just a piece of lace? Here's just a piece of lace. We talked about that. Well, all you need to do is be sure that you have a Teflon surface of some type, and you want to lay the stabilizer down on the back side of the lace. You lay the lace flat down onto the pressing sheet, and you iron that on. When you're done, you pull this off, and there's all kinds of residue here, but you know what? It just pulls right away. And then all of that is pulled away. Then when you get ready to put this shape onto your fabric, you want to make sure that, onto your paper, you want to make sure that you use some freezer paper, put over the top of that, not freezer paper, I'm sorry, parchment paper, so that you don't mess up the iron, because there may be a little more residue sticking out of that lace.